Hi guys. I now show how to separate round magnets from a broken speaker. The round magnet was already separated from this speaker, and if it is not split, then the magnet can be separated according to the next step. Now let's separate the magnet from the round iron. Any thin sharp knife placed between the magnet and the iron and struck on the knife will split the magnet and the iron. In this video I did the work using a thin knife. But for today's project such a small magnet will not work properly. So I collected a large size round magnet. I need strong round magnets for today's project. This device works best with a stronger round magnet. For this project I took a thick iron seat and cut it into 2 pieces. Then I marked it as a triangle shape. I cut the metal seat as per the mark. Similarly, I draw a triangle on a piece of wood with a base equal to the base of the magnet. I cut the wood along the mark and drilled a large round hole in the middle of the wood to place the magnet. I drilled 4 holes to hold everything together, and cut out the stained parts in the cones. In the same way, I drilled the wooden part and cut some marking cones. After everything was done, I spray painted the metal seat and the wood. Now everything is put together and screwed. My project for today is now ready to work. I tested the magnetic tools at different angles. It sticks very well with other irons. Now let's do a 90-degree welding with it. Yes, it worked fine at 90 degrees. I hope you liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to press like button and share to your friends, and you can tell me more about it by comment. Stay tuned by subscribing to my channel and press the bell button to get the next video. Thank you very much and best wishes for you.